In a post on his Instagram, Joe Shimoda has announced that he is leaving Pro Circuit Kawasaki, kind of a rumor that's been going around for a while. And he said, quote, and I'm going to read this as it's written because English is his second language, so it's a little bit wonky, but it says, quote, "Thank you is probably not enough word to describe in so many ways that we can talk about negative about swapping teams. But to me, how much I've experienced and learned and accomplishments we made together this past 3 years with PC Race Team is very special. Thank you, Mitch. Never forget. Announcement and plans for 24 coming soon." Now, as far as I've heard, and correct me in the comments below if you heard something else, he's supposedly going to be taking the Honda 250 seat that Hunter Lawrence is vacating. Since he's moving up to the 450s alongside of his brother, now there's an empty seat there, and supposedly Shimoda is going to be taking it. And you got to say, for Pro Circuit, this is a big hit because Shimoda has been probably their, well, let's not say probably, he's been their most consistent rider for the last 3 years. With Faulkner being injured, McAdoo being injured, Hammaker being injured, you have Shimoda, multiple wins. I think it's like 24, 25 podiums. Like, he's been in the top 5 in points in every series except for one since he signed with them. And to lose him is a big deal because while he may not be the biggest name or the outright fastest of everybody on the grid, whatever you want to call it, he is consistent. And that is something, especially for these big factory teams, to have your riders out there, have them running, showing all the sponsors off and everything. And for him, I mean, he's proved it that he can be a competitive guy, he can be a championship level guy, and if he wants to get a big contract from Honda or wherever he's going to go, again, comment down below if I'm wrong. I think it'll be cool for him. He's proved that he can do it. He's proved that he's worth the money and the time and the talent. And I hope he does well over Honda. And obviously, I think maybe it's just time for a new change. Maybe it's time for a move, and who knows. But in the comments below, you tell me. How well do you think he's going to do? Is it a good move? Are you happy about it? Do you wish he had stayed at Kawasaki? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.